Now let's see what is boxing in Java. Means not that straight boxing fight type. Boxing. What is boxing in Java? Here to create an object of type integer, we are taking an example that we are creating an integer object. To create an integer object, what we'll write? We'll write the name of the class. The name of the class is integer, right? So in the wrapper class table that you all wrote just now, you can see that the wrapper class for integer is integer. Integer number equal to new integer 5. Clear? What is this 5? This 5 is the normal primitive data type. Clear? Now, what we did, we created an object of the type integer. This we have to write this much before a recent update. In recent updates, what happened? A feature of boxing came. A feature of boxing came. This boxing can be compared to implicit type casting also. Now what we can do? We can directly do integer number equal to 5. Can directly do integer number equal to 5. Instead of these steps that we follow to create an object of the type integer, what we can do, we can directly do integer number equal to 5. What will happen? This data type would be automatically converted to the object type of class integer, and this process is known as autoboxing. The automatic conversion of primitive data types to their respective wrapper class type is known as autoboxing. Clear? Next thing what we have is to now what we have the object type. Here we have the object type. Number was the object of integer wrapper class. We can convert a wrapper class back to its original type directly. That is known as unboxing. So what we did here what we did int. I, what is int? Int is our primitive data type. We did int n equal to number. So n was a primitive variable. Number was an wrapper class object. Therefore, this wrapper class object is directly converted to our predefined variable automatically. This is known as unboxing. The automatic conversion of wrapper class to their respective primitive data type is known as unboxing. Here, now the same thing is written up in the theory. The conversion of wrapper class back to its primitive form is known as unboxing slash boxing. Like so, here we have an example int a equal to new integer 5. Here, what we are doing in this example, we are creating an primitive type of we are creating a uh, hmm, we are creating a five way we are creating an object of integer type. Okay, so here new integer 5 is an object and it gets automatically converted to the normal data type because new integer 5 is object. We can do it in two lines, that I create an object new integer 5 like I did below, integer number equal to new integer 5, and I do int a equal to number, the same thing we did below, the same thing I'm doing here, int a equal to new integer 5. So what is happening? This object type is directly getting converted to our predefined type. This is known as boxing in Java. The next thing that we have is auto boxing. What is auto boxing? The automatic conversion the Java compiler makes from primitive type to their respective wrapper class, from predefined type to their respective wrapper class. So, like I told you, before recent updates, you have to write a full statement to create an object of anything. So, integer number equal to new integer 5. You have to write this full statement to create an object of type integer or with the value as 5. But now what we can do? We can directly do like this. Integer number equal to 5. Integer number equal to 5 would directly convert this primitive type to the wrapper class type. Here, in this case, 5 would be automatically converted into integer object. This is called as auto boxing. Clear? So this is boxing or unboxing versus auto boxing. One time the board has already asked what is the difference between boxing and auto boxing. So in that you will write a definition of the book, this one, and then you can write this example. Clear?